today we're gonna make the rabbit. You can choose any color you want, and let's start. First, we prepare 2 balls. The small ball is for the rabbit's tail, and the big one is for the body of the rabbit. Now you see I have cut both ends on this cylinder shape. One side is for the ear and the other side is for the back leg of the rabbit. One thing we need to pay attention is the back leg only folded to the center of the rabbit's body. And the front leg, I will show you how to make it, so just keep your eye on it. Now the front leg has cut. Did you surprise how I make the front leg? So after the front leg is made, it's already looked like the little rabbit, isn't it? After we add the eyes on it, it's already done. You are feel free to add any color for the rabbit's eyes. What do you think? Isn't it easy? I hope you have fun to making this rabbit, and next time we will make a little kid wearing the rabbit's outfit or rabbit costumes. Please hit the like button for support, or if you'd like to see more video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel under Ivan Chant. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.